What's up, guys? Today we're going to be playing Garbage Truck 3D. So I already know the lever. Hold on, I thought there was more. Yeah. I thought I turned off Wi-Fi. Oh, I got lucky there. Can you ask? Can you ask Dina if I can come together today? Because you always say, because last time you always say, why can't I go to your friend's house? And I was like, great idea. So can you ask Dina? Let me see what that game is. You hear this? That Garbage Truck 3D. No, that's Little Kitty Big City. What? No, it isn't. It's Garbage Truck 3D. But you, hey.
Why have you ever played?
Kitty Big City? No. That's a baby's game. No, it's not. TFG plays it. So guys, I'm going to do max upgrades on the window thingy. Yes. More. We got to go to Jeremiah's house today. Only if Tina said yes. Oh, Muse, please say yes or no. Karen? Yeah. I want to play 4th of July at the Toilet Outfits today. Not today. Tomorrow. After I go to Jeremiah's. Well, that's the time. Uh-huh. But I have to go on the family computer. What? Why? And you're not taking a cooling pad of that. I know I'm not. But Kaylin. Do you want to have your second piercing unit? Yeah, why? What is a piercing unit anyway? It's the strongest damage in the entire game. And you can get an uncommon piercing unit from the 4th of July crate called the Sparkle Cameraman. You know what, buddy? Yeah, maybe I will play after Jeremiah's. Ow! Ah! Okay, guys, this is it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you have a great time. Peace.